Okay, so we're going to talk about changing the battery out on the TASER Pulse. So the most important thing first is to make sure that it's unloaded. There's no cartridge in the bay. If there is a cartridge, make sure to point it in a safe direction. Grab with your thumb and forefinger on the sides of the cartridge, squeeze and remove. It may take a bit of considerable force to do so, so make sure if you need to use two hands, go ahead and feel free to do that. The battery is housed in this area here. So when you are going to be removing the battery, make sure that the weapon is on safe, and then also point it in a safe direction. You're going to take your thumb and push forward here on this piece. That slides right off there, and I can kind of show you that again. So when you're pushing here, it's just going to slide right off towards the front of the weapon. On the inside is the battery. It is connected to a cable, so you want to make sure you're not yanking it too hard, as you can damage that cable. If you turn the weapon kind of upside down, it comes out. One of the easiest ways I found is to go ahead and secure that cable with the forefinger here, and then gently pull on the cable, and it will disconnect. Once you go to reconnect, there are pins on the cable that can be lined up. I don't know if you can see that there. So you just line up those pins, snap that back into place, reinsert the battery into the handle. This piece, you'll see the notch here, how it goes in right back onto the weapon here. You'll hear it snap back into place, and you'll know the battery is seated. In order to test it, once again, no cartridge in the weapon. Go ahead and arm the weapon. You'll see that the battery indicator will show green. You'll get the flashlight and laser coming out of the laser. And this is also a good time while the weapon is empty to do your monthly spark test. So you can go ahead and pull the trigger. We recommend letting it go for 30 seconds, keeping it at a safe distance, making sure you see that that spark is going. You can hear the spark rate. Just for muscle memory purposes, we're going to recommend that you let it go for the full 30 seconds. So once that's done,
it's a long 30 seconds.
It's a long 30 seconds. But once that's done there, we're going to go ahead and put the weapon back into safe mode. So we'll put the safety down, and you are all good to go.